Okay, trade recap. This is how I made like $900 day trading Nasdaq today. Um, as you may have noticed, I have not taken a trade in a very fucking long time. I just have not like okay, last week. It's just straight consolidation last week. Did not take anything. If you just look here, like some straight ass, like nothing I wanted to take at all that week. And yeah, I just been patient. Just you know, been living life other outside of the charts, of course. And yeah, but let's get into this trade. So midnight session, we sold off Mega um, to put in this SMT. Like this is like a daily SMT. So it's a little big, so I was still open for shorts, of course, because we were moving like this. I was still open for shorts down to, this gap and this draw, or this liquidity pool right here. I was open to shorts right there, but we just went and took it right on open. There was nothing really I could take it off. There was a lot of wicks here. Like there was nothing I could take it off. I don't really like trading right on open either. So yeah. But yeah, then we get a V-shaped recovery, kind of as expected. 5-minute inverse, 5-minute order block gets put in with this SMT. We start displacing. I mean, to go lower, which we probably will go lower. We need to get equilibrium of this range. This range. But I was mostly looking at this range right here. Like that. I guess it's the whole range, whatever. We needed a retrace, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. So we have this 30-minute gap, and we have this hourly gap as well, and this 4-hour gap. But the 4-hour gap wasn't put in yet. But yeah, this hourly gap was like the highest, and these highs depends on how fast we displace. But my main draw was this hourly gap right here, the start of this hourly gap, and this 30-minute. Doesn't really matter, but yeah. So yeah, my draw was this hourly gap. Let's actually mark it out. This hourly gap that's right here. That was my bullish draw. We just start displacing heavy, creating bullish order flow. I'm looking at the 1 minute here. Or after we create this, we tap into it. We start kind of going like the way you see the way we're displacing here. We come down with one black candle, and then it takes two green candle, or two up candles to close above this, which is not really something I like. It shows slower displacement to my draw, so I'm not going to take this break of structure or whatever. But then it is a strong candle move. It is a strong candle move. It shows that we probably will go here, but whatever. We start, with that we take out a bit of liquidity. We start coming down into this 1 minute order block, and it takes 3 candles with big wicks to the upside, big wicks, clearly like rejecting candles to my draw. So 3 down candles, big wicks, and then we have I wanted preferably 1 candle, but we got 2 for the CISD. 2 very bullish candles for the CISD, which is 2 is greater than 3, or it's lesser, so it's a stronger displacing move. I enter basically straight off of that. We close here. CISD is a break structure as well, or market structure shift. And yeah, enter straight off of that. This is my protected low because of the risk to reward. Well, you could put it here, but I was fine putting it here. This was the protected low for me. It's highly unlikely that we take this with this displacing move, in my mind at least, because then we have to disrespect this whole order block that just got created. So yeah, so though we almost get stopped out here. That's the thing. We almost get stopped out, but then we come up and just mega displacing move again. which just shows, yeah, it's going to the draw, you know. It's going to the draw. And yeah, that's the trade basically. Took 3 minutes, 4 minutes in the trade. Made about 1 R on the eval. Yeah, that's about it, man. That's about it. One thing I was wondering about is like you could go break even at the hourly high and then hold to like the next hourly high that's like here. Or not, it's not a high, but you know, gap when you have a situation like this. That would have been really good. That would have actually been really good. So maybe I should have done that. Maybe I should have done that. Yeah, but that's about it, man. That's about it. This was before news. We had 10 a.m. news. Yeah. But yeah, that's about it, man. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and subscribe on YouTube, man. And thank you for watching this video.